What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up here at this new job. Over the weekend, Rodrigo and Guillermo came here Saturday and buttoned up all of the sheathing on the second floor here. We do have a little bit to go on the chimney on the far side. I just grabbed the key for this machine here. I have to throw this work platform on, and then I believe I'm sending my father up top to the top of the chimney there. You can see it poking over the ridge. We got to get some plywood on the sides, and then the top needs to get capped. So let me hop in the machine. We'll get this platform on and get the machine moved over to the side yard. All right, hopefully he's okay with where I have the machine. It's pretty close to centered, but the ground is super soft here and I don't want to keep moving this machine. It's not exactly centered on the chimney, but it is very close. All right guys, so it is about 4:30. I didn't record anything today, but we got the chimney done. The reason I didn't record anything is I dropped my camera. I dropped my camera down in this hole here and I couldn't find it all day. I just grabbed the key out of this thing and I was packing up. I decided to look around it and luckily I looked down in there and found it. But I'm gonna walk around and show you guys what we did today real quick before we get out of here. But we finished the plywood on all 4 sides of the chimney. There was just a little rip on the top, on the front. I believe it was one piece on the right. The back and this side, I think we're both done. But I'll zoom it in right now. There is a 2x4 flush with a piece of 3/4 on the top of the chimney. So there's a 2x4 flush and then a 2x6 on top of that, wrapped all the way around. That way the siding can go up behind the 2x6 and kind of hide it. And then we obviously did the 2x first, and then we sat a piece of 3/4 plywood on the top and then weather watched it. So that is complete. It's watertight. All we have left is this lower section, which we're holding off on for now. But over on the front here, the guys have been working on getting a bunch of braces up. These are all temporary braces for the LVL girder for the front wraparound porch roof. They started setting the LVLs over on this side. You can see how they're going here, but they're just temped up right now. We obviously still have to get all of our footings dug and everything, so there's quite a bit of work here to be able to frame this. But they're getting all of the braces up, that way we can set the LVLs in and they're all in place. These ones are exactly where they need to be. So good progress over here on this. It is slow moving getting all of these braces up, being that we have to do braces rather than come off of footings right now. And also the chimney was slow moving. We had to move the machine every time we had to get to a different wall. And then obviously the back side, we'll call it the back side, but it's really the inside, was tough. I had to back the machine in over here and then go up this way. We had to move some of the LVLs to get the machine in there, but we got it done. We had one guy inside cleaning all day, getting the inside spotless. I'm not gonna walk through that. You don't need to see the inside of the building. You've seen that plenty of times. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we'll be back here, continue working on this front porch. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.